Today we are going to clear all cache from Windows 10, 11, or any other computer. It is very easy, and make sure you watch the whole video. After clearing all cache from your computer, the performance of your computer will be way better than earlier, and it will load faster. So let us get started. For that, press the Windows key and the R key together, R as in Romeo. You will get this Run window. Here we need to type Prefetch. Once you type Prefetch, hit OK. It will ask for permission. You just need to click on Continue. Select any of the files, press Ctrl-A to select all files, and then press Shift and Delete on the keyboard. We are pressing Shift and Delete to permanently delete these junk files and cache from the computer. Once you select that, click Yes, and we will be able to delete these files. Once this is done, again press the Windows key and the R key together. This time we will type Temp, T-E-M-P, then click OK. It will open a new window. Now this is a very clean computer. It does not have too much junk created by the system, but I still have some files. So I will select any of the files, press Ctrl-A and do the same thing, Shift and Delete. Now the files are gone. The temp folder is used by many applications that leave leftover chunks there, so we need to remove those. Once this is done, press the Windows key and the R key again. This time we will type %temp%. Once you type it, hit OK. This is another location where we have a lot of encrypted junk. These files are not created by you. They are absolutely not required and can be removed. Select any of the files, press Ctrl-A to select all, and then press Shift and Delete. Slowly and gradually, we are removing all the junk and making the computer faster. Some of the files may not get deleted, and that is absolutely fine. You can leave them as they are. Just select Do This for all current items and skip them. Some files and folders will not get deleted because they are being used by some programs, and that is fine. We can leave them. Once this is done, the last step we need to do is press the Windows key and the R key again. This time we will type clean mgr. It is clean mgr. If you have not subscribed or liked this video yet, I would really appreciate it if you do so. Once you have typed clean mgr, hit OK. This will open the Disk Cleanup Drive selection window. Here by default, the C drive is selected where the operating system is installed. I will select that and click OK. Once we are in this window, select all the checkboxes: Recycle Bin, Temporary Files, Thumbnails, Delivery Optimization Files, and Temporary Internet Files. Please make sure you check all of them, then click OK. In this way, you will be able to remove all the junk, and your computer will be cleaner. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.